if you need to use your refrigerator in the back of the van, next to the master power, you will have your ref button that will turn this on, and it works separately. Now, you're just going to push your metal latch here to the side, push this down, and open it up. You can swing it all the way open, and you'll have your fridge here, which I recommend you leave it cooling 2 to 3 hours previous to your trip for a cold fridge. And bonus, you have a little freezer if you want ice or popsicle for your trip. Once you're done, so that way it's not swinging around, close your fridge and just secure your metal latch at the top so it's not swing opening as you're driving.